Welcome to Cat Mail Code. Welcome back to the quiet. Alright guys, let's play. So I played about 5 minutes of this game before I decided I should stop recording. So I know the drill. But yeah. I only serve 2 customers. So oh, it's not yet. Okay. Right, okay. So we got this.
Meow.
Hello,
it's for my life, fine old fur. I believe the parcel is wrapped with a yellow ribbon.
Wait, Brian? Wait, is Brian a girl's name as well? Am I tweaking?
What?
Brian O. Should be it. Thanks, have a nice day. Brilliant. So we gotta look at the map, got Port Windy, Cat Island. Hello, can you take care of it? I will. Port Windy should be this one. I gotta weigh it, since it's blue. So then I have to put on 4 stamps. Nice. Now we continue serving customers. This game's pretty cool, I think.
Oh. No. Hello. Can you take care of that?
Alright, bet. Okay, yeah, I got you, man.
I can't read that. Oh, this is how we can take care of that again.
So we gotta go to Port Windy. Gotta weigh it as well. We gotta put on 2 stamps.
No.
Nice. I got you, man. I got you. So then we go here. And then we also gotta grab this. Please be careful with it. I will. Kobe. Oh. Oh wait, right. Be careful with the parcel. Yeah, that's okay. Let's see here. So this one is going to Port Windy. Of course it is. Green. Does this mean I have to put a fragile sticker on it? I don't think I do. Okay, let's put it here. Okay. Oh wait, hold on. I can read this one. I should do this first. Hello?
Hi, the parcel is for my mom. Her last name is Early Sleep. Okay, yeah. I was told that it is almost my height.
I mean, you are pretty short, so yeah. Oh, look at me. Early Sleep.
Go.
This? No, that's Opal Q. No, right. Hooja F. Where is Early Sleep? Oh wow, there's a. Oh Jesus Christ, there's so many. I didn't even realize. Oh come on. Okay, this is Kiki E. What is this one? Oh! You have to be kidding me. Really? This one is a bit unfortunate. Okay, guys, I gotta. What is behind all this? Oh. Early Sleep. Hit. I can't find this. Well, it should be a big one. Why can't I drop it? Hello? Okay. Vivian P. Vivian. Okay. Vivian. Okay. Buster P. Guys, has anyone seen an Early Sleep?
Nah.
No.
I gotta organize this. I'm gonna put this here. I feel a lot more organized. Small ones can go here. This is just forcing me to organize, isn't it? I have a system. It's all coming together. What is this? And we have this one. Asher. Alright, done. Gang? Oh wait, I can make them.
Wow.
But where is early sleep? That's very Yo, am I like stupid? Wait, what? Her last name is Early Sleep. Oh, I'm an idiot. Oh, I'm actually an idiot. Wow. Okay. Probably this one. Not yet. Is it this? That one is okay. I'm an idiot. Oh wow. I'm actually. Oh, Kiki. Probably Kiki. There we go. Idiot.
No.
No, evil call. Oh, I know where that one is. Evil call. Dusk. Okay, how do I sleep? Wait, what's this bell? Oh. Can I hit you right? Oh. This is the meal won't sort itself. Move along. Oh, piss off, man. Fine. Sort of goddamn meal. Nah, this guy's actually pretty bad. Actually, you know what? I regret what I said. I'm sorry. Here we go. I'm done. Yo, hello. I did it. Empty the boat. Oh, I have to empty the boat. Fill the boat. No, wait. Poor windy. Alright, let's get going. Okay, this one is one of... No, it's not one of them. Oh, okay, here. Send the boat back. No, I need more. There's one more. What's it this? What, it was this. Okay. Send the boat back. Okay. There. Alright, I got you, bro. Okay, parcels headed to customer 3, parcels to my boat 3. Stamp bonus score 3, total score plus 99. Nice. The scanner. Oh, this is spooky. I don't like this. Gulp. Night works just like the day. That's unfortunate. I was trying to catch some Z's. There's no night shift. The hell am I supposed to do? Alright, gang. Oh, what's this? Made you. I made. Okay, that's so sorry. Hello. What? I didn't even. What? I didn't even do anything. What the frick?
I guess.
I didn't do anything. Crap. I accidentally skipped over it. What do I do? Scan it? Oh, what? Oh. Here. I'll scan this. Okay, okay, I'll just wait.
Alright, man.
Okay, blue. So I need 6 stems. And it's going to Port Windy. Okay. And is it fragile or something?
I think it is.
Hello, scan. How do I turn this thing? Oh! Yeah. KG. So, KG here. Currently identified as possible. Okay, brilliant. Immaculate. Okay.
Mom?
Yeah. Hi, my dad told me to ask you to send this. Okay, I got it. Please be careful with it. I got you, bro. I got you. Okay, let's see this. Okay. Whoa, Windy. Man, this game is way too easy, bro. What? Give me a challenge.
Wow. Action.
Hi, the parcel is for my mom. Her last name is Grayfer. Grayfer sounds like a warrior cat's name. It's a mid-sized package with a cord all around. Yeah, okay, I got you, man. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Hi. Yeah. Okay. Give me the parcel. Yo, is this guy stupid? Give me the parcel. Oh wait, I'm an idiot. Oh wait, I'm actually an idiot. Okay, it's a mid-sized package with a cord around. Okay, guys, I might be stupid. I might be a bit stupid.
Yeah.
Okay, Grayfer. Let me know if you see Grayfer. G. It's a cord all around it. Could it be Cade? Not bad. Could it be Vivian G? Vivian Grayfer? You sure this is my parcel? No, I'm not sure actually. I was hoping to ask you, but I guess you don't know anything either. That is EVG. Could be Evie. That one is it.
Got a cord around it.
Gang, can we normalize telling us your mother's first names? Okay, cord. Oh, it could be Caramel G. It could be Caramel G. Okay. Ragnar. Mom's name Ragnar. Really? Really? Okay. It was Ragnar. I honestly don't believe that. Okay, next customer. What's up? Greetings, I'm Barnaby Palefriend. Just a small box, nothing special. I got you, bro. Okay, Barnaby. There you go. See, this guy I like, bro. I'll give you something. Alright, we're gonna go to 20 customers. Alright. Teddy, I got. Oh, this parcel will. This one? Your bike. Are you sure, man? This one. Man, are you sure this one's gonna fit on your bike? Thanks. Have a nice day.
Yeah, open the door.
Two kid. Next one. Hi, this parcel is for my mom. Her last name is Scratchy. Oh, frick you.
Her last name is Scratchy.
Okay, man. Dude, imagine your last name being Scratchy. I would love that. Percy S. Oh, wait, it could be this one. I think it's this one. Is it scratching? Thanks. Have a nice day. I knew it. Someone hasn't Dawn, the captain has arrived. Wow. Oh, captain, my captain. Stop it. Oh, already? Wait a minute. You forgot package this on the deck. Okay. I know I didn't, but okay. Got Dennis P. What if you swapped? This will be Penis D.
Penis D. Penis D.
That one right there is let's what is the water? Can I kill myself? Oh wow. I feel like it's just a bit like someone has to spend like probably a few hours, not a few hours, like a couple, at least spend the time of doing that during development time. I don't see what the point of that is. Okay, let's see here. We got how do you pronounce this? Rhea? Rahi? How do you pronounce that? Rhea. I think Rhea, right? Sure. Wait, there's another one for Rhea G. This one's for Rhea E.
Wait.
Rhea. Okay, I have all the parcels for you, my good sir. Go. One more. You can go now. Why are you dog? Oh. Let's gotta move on, man. What? I wouldn't do that if I were you. Yo, chill. Oh, you know what? This one's probably like it has a windy tip. Huh. I wish the game would tell me what to do. I don't know. This one is going to go windy as well. Oh, you know what? I should probably spread this out. Oh wow, this is hanging on by. Oh no! Oh. Now go. Yo, what am I missing? What am I missing? Restart. How do I restart? Time since last save 9 minutes. No. How do I save the game? How do I save?
Yo. Does it auto save? That might be.
Time since last save 9 minutes. Oh lord. Yo, I might genuinely be an idiot. You ring the other bell.
The other one.
Oh my god, and now there's just this mess. Ugh. I'm leaving it all here. They're all going to ring the end.
Meow.
Oh, hi. Ohio?
Meow.
Don't you recognize me? It's me, Sophia. It's just
Meow.
like Caleb and Sophia? Okay.
Meow.
Oh no! Are you gonna eat the cupcake?
They don't get the. Oh, I found the letter.
The cupcake.
What is this? Oh wow. Where's the letter? Sophia, I don't got your letter, bro. It's a little cat toy. Toy crunch. No. I want the cat toy. Okay, Sophia, I don't know what to girl, I don't know what to tell you. No, I don't know what to do with Sophia here. Do I just decline it? Like, I don't have any letters. Okay, Sophia. Girl, I don't have anything for you. Decline. Yeah, my bad, okay. Hello? Hi, Apostle 29. My last name is Keen Scratch. Like Keemstar. Okay. It's just a letter. I don't have any letters. Wait, are these letters? Wait, I might be a heartless person. I might have just declined Sophia.
Good.
I can't get a good look at this. Okay. Are the blue things
Open the door. I think.
Kylie K. Okay. Yo, I just declined Sophia. Oh my god, I'm actually a heartless person. I'm actually a heartless person.
No.
Hello, sorry to bother you. It's from my wife, Percy Claus. I believe the parcel extracted the other ribbon. I got you. Oh, Percy, yo, Percy Claus. I don't got nothing for you. I have Felix M. You want a husband? I'll give you this package.
No.
Okay. I want a husband. Yellow ribbon. Aha! Okay.
No.
Huh, I need to send that. I
Oh.
got you. Fragile. Okay. Fragile. Port, and then 1 sec. I'm the go. You better be cautious. Yo, chill. Holy shit. I hate these people, man. Entitlement. Oh, yeah. Nowadays, it's just, that's all they do, you know? Jeez. Okay, I got you. Hi, I like to send that. I got you Dennis. There we go. Alright. What's up? It's for my wife, Ingmar Westman. It's a mid-sized package with a code all around. Okay. Ingmar. Whisker leaf. I have an Ingmar K. Aha! Hello. Good evening. My name is Rhea Goldentooth. Stiletto. Oh, that was a Rhea. That was a Rhea, right? It was like, this is very Yes, okay. Oh, Captain, my Captain. I hate you, the book.
No.
Talk about some friggin', oh, this isn't the right one. Oh, I wouldn't do that if I were you. Like, who the hell do you think you are, man? Ah, I gotta unload. Okay, Luca.
Luca animate.
Luca. And we also have Kenji. I keep falling in the water. Oh, I'm on a roll. I'm actually on a roll. Why are there so many packages? Oh.
Like tongue survival?
Stop.
Tongue survival.
Enough!
Tongue survival.
Okay, maybe one.
Tongue survival.
Ah, okay, that's. I feel like I feel as though that's an appropriate amount of
Tongue survival.
Oh, whoa, you're pushing it, man, you're pushing it. We wouldn't want to overdose. We wouldn't want to overdose on tongue survival.
But what if I wanna overdose on tongue survival?
Well, then you'd be an idiot.
No.
Yeah. Wait, you know what? I think I can.
Yeah.
Okay, then I can fit one more. Man, this game's so like cozy, you know? I'm just a guy. But I wonder if there's any more to it than this. You know? It's like, is this really it? I don't think so. I mean, I had the DLC, which I don't know why I have it.
Why not?
I mean, I guess. I don't know what it is, though. Maybe I can go to... Okay, well, I think this is it. Let's go. I'm off. See you around. Nice.
Yeah.
Damage parcels penalty. Piss off. Invalid parcel set 1. I'm not stupid. Well, that will be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I like this game. Shout out to the developers of this game. Which are, as I say this really slowly because I'm definitely not checking the Steam page right now.
Totally, guys.
Shout out to the developers of this game, Maraca Studio.
Yay!
I think you should definitely check this game out. It did just come. It's 15% off right now.
Yeah.
This is not sponsored, by the way. I just think it's really cool. Yeah, this game just came out. I hope you enjoyed. Should have liked, subscribe, hit that bell. If you
Yay.
want